Hi, what's up guys? It's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com. Welcome to my Snapify review. I'm here inside the software and I'll give you a full demo and a walkthrough of exactly what this does in just a second. First of all, I want to draw your attention towards some bonuses that I've just spent the past 3 hours putting together for you guys so that you can get the best out of Snapify as possible. So if you click on the link down below in the description, in the video description down below, you'll come through to this page. This is my bonus page where I host all of my bonuses, and if you'd like to pick up Snapify at any time during this review video, all you need to do is click on any of these blue buttons throughout this page before this countdown timer runs down, because when it does, this page will expire and so will all my bonuses, and that's something I don't want you to miss out on, because like I said, I've just spent the past few hours putting all of these bonuses together for you so you can get the best out of Snapify as you can. So my first bonus, I'm going to be giving you access to my Instagram software. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use this. Now what it does is you would load this software up with multiple accounts. I have 50 accounts on my software, and each account will go out there and it will follow 300 to 500 people per day and then unfollow them after a designated amount of days. Now inside this tutorial I'll show you where you can buy Instagram accounts for less than $3 an account, so you can load it up. Now what you would do is you would set it to go and follow the followers of your competitors. So for example, you are in the coffee niche, you have an e-com store where you're selling coffee. Okay, you would go and follow the followers of Starbucks, okay, because Starbucks probably has millions of followers. So each one of these accounts you would set to go and follow the followers of Starbucks. Now, if each account is following 300 to 500 of those followers per day, then if you have 50 accounts on, you're literally targeting thousands of people every single day. Now, what's going to happen here is you'll go and follow them. Now, you'll have an interesting bio in your Instagram bio, and you will also have a link that goes to your e-com store or to your Snapify page, which I'll show you how it works in a second. Now, a large percentage of those people that you follow will get a notification. Well, they'll all get a notification from Instagram saying, Jono's Coffee Beans has just started following you. So if you were in that person's position, you'd probably take your phone and think, who's this random Jono Coffee Bean dude? But he's got coffee in his name, and I'm interested in coffee because I'm following Starbucks. So I'm curious. I'll go and check it out. I'll open his bio. Oh, there's a link in there to his coffee store. Maybe it's even better than Starbucks. Click on the link, boom, you've just got yourself a visitor to your store and a potential buyer. Now, times this by 50 accounts, each following hundreds of people every single day, and you're going to be getting a lot of traffic to your store, and it's working really well for me with lead generation and also e-com. So in this first bonus, I'm going to give you access to this, and I'm going to show you how to set everything up, which is pretty cool. Now, second bonus, I'm going to be giving you access to a course which I have white label rights to, all about influencers, Instagram influencers. And if you use this correctly, you can get a ton of traffic to wherever you want to send it, to your Snapify store, to your Instagram account, to your e-com store, your Shopify store. You can get a ton of people, a ton of traffic for very, very cheaply, and it's all very targeted traffic as well. So inside of this second bonus, I'm going to be giving you access to the full course, showing you how to set all of this up, how to contact these influencers, and how much to pay. And there's also some cheat sheets and stuff in there as well. So it's really going to help you out with getting traffic. So bonus number 3, I'm going to be showing you how you can increase your e-com conversions. Now, a lot of people in Shopify, in e-com, they think that they have a traffic problem. They think, oh, I'm not getting enough traffic to my page. Well, in fact, they have a conversion problem, not a traffic problem. Traffic is easy to get hold of. You just go to the traffic shop and you buy some traffic. The problem lies in their conversions, okay? They're not writing the right things on their product descriptions. They're not having the right call to actions. So inside of this bonus, I'm going to show you a few tweaks that you can do to your Shopify store or to your e-com store, which will massively increase your conversions. So that depending on the amount of traffic that you send there, you're going to be increasing your conversions by 58%, and that in turn means more buyers and more sales for you and more profit. So inside of this third bonus, I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do to your page to be able to do that. Bonus number 4, I'm going to be giving you access to all of the bonuses that the vendor of Snapify, the product owner, has given to me to give to you. Now, I'm guessing that this is what most other affiliates are going to be offering to you in terms of bonuses. So what you have here is Facebook Hot Content Seeker. And feel free to pause the video and have a read through all of this text here, because I don't really know what all of these bonuses are, but I'm going to be giving them to you anyway, because I'm guessing this is what most other affiliates are going to be offering. So I want to be matching their offers as well. So Social Lead Pages Builder, Facebook Live Marketing Accelerator Video, Instagram for Business, Snapchat Success, and that's it. So I'm going to be giving you all of these bonuses on top of my other 3 custom bonuses. And feel free to shop around, see what other affiliates are offering as far as bonuses are concerned, and then come back to this page once you've realized that my bonuses are way better than anybody else's. So in order to get all of these bonuses, including the vendors bonuses, all you need to do is click on any of these green buttons to go through to the sales page, which looks like this, and then purchase Snapify. And all of my bonuses and the vendor bonuses will be delivered to you instantly inside of JVZoo. So all you need to do once you've gone through checkout is go to your JVZoo account, click on Access My Purchases on the top right of the page, click on Snapify, and then scroll down to the bottom and you'll find a little blue button that says Bonuses from Jono. That's where all of these bonuses will be instantly available and waiting for you upon purchase. So if you do click on any of these green buttons, you can access this page by clicking on the link down below in the video description. It will bring you through to this page. If you click on any of these green buttons, you'll come through to the sales page. So sell products or services in one click with shoppable social network images and galleries. Revealing revolutionary hotspot technology generated 31,673 revenue in 15 days using simple social images. Turn your social network content into attention-grabbing shoppable galleries to make more direct sales in your online business. Okay, now this is pretty cool. What you're actually going to be creating is hotspots over images that looks like this. So this would be a regular image, and this would be a hotspot image. So say you're selling electronics. Okay, you have an iPad, you have an iPhone, you have an iMac, and you're selling some bits of paper and stuff as well. So your user would click on here, and they would come through and they would see the detailed product description and images of the iPad that you're selling, and then they could buy it directly using the buy button. Okay, so if they wanted to buy the MacBook, they would click on there. They would instantly get a product image and a description of the MacBook, and they'd also have the option to buy it inside of here, and you would have some other options inside of there as well. Again, if they want to get the phone, they can have a look at the iPhone 10. They can also watch a video about the iPhone 10 here, or the iPhone X, and they can check out and see what else you have in store, all from one image with hotspots on it. And there's a lot of big companies doing this kind of thing, and it's very, very powerful. So you're killing 5 birds with one stone, effectively. That's kind of the beauty of how this works. So I'm going to jump into the software now, and I'm going to give you a quick demo run through of how this works. So the first thing that you need to do is go to tag your images. Okay, excuse my internet connection. Okay, this isn't a problem with the app, it's a problem with my internet connection. It's been happening the past couple of days. So what you would need to do is connect your network. So you would need to go to Instagram, and you need to connect your Instagram account up, and then you can go and you can import your images by importing it into your Instagram here. Now once you've done that, you choose the image that you want to make these hotspots on. Now obviously it's better if you have an image with multiple different things on it, multiple different things going on, exactly like this one. Okay, you have multiple different products in one image. That would be better. My images, I only have one image of each shoe inside of here. So you can also upload an image as well if you want to go and upload an image, and I'll show you how you can do this as well in a second. So I also have a store selling charcoal blackhead masks, and I've been making quite a lot of money doing this. And lucky for you, I'm going to be revealing my site inside of here. So that's uploaded now, and then I have my images here that I can play around with. Now there's a couple of things I can do with this. If you didn't see what I just did then, I just clicked on the blue button. Okay, the red button deletes the image, but I don't want to delete it, so click on the image to tag it. Okay, I've tagged it with a hotspot here. Now I can have it animated. Okay, so I can have a little wheel going around, or I can have an egg, or I can have it kind of morph, or I can have it like that. You know, anything to kind of get it to be interactive. And then you can choose the color of the hotspot here. So I could just go with blue, or I could go with kind of a pink color, make it really stand out. You know, something in contrast to the black of the main image. Then you can choose an icon, so you can have the Amazon if you're doing Amazon affiliates. You can have an Android icon if you're doing apps. Okay, you can have a ton of different other stuff on here as well. I'm just going to go with this icon here, so that's going to show up in the middle. And then you can tag the image with your picture. So I'm just going to put this picture inside of there as well. So when they click on this hotspot, it's going to open up this image here. Now the next thing you need to do is select the type of tag. So you can have a video, in which case you would enter your video embed code in here from YouTube. You can have a call to action, or you can have it go to the actual product here. So we could put in the product name. So what was it, Piloten or BioAqua? Oh, it's BioAqua. So BioAqua blackhead mask. And then you can have the add to cart URL, which I'm going to grab from my ecom store here. So it's this one right here. You see my internet connection is being stupid. Okay, so add to cart. I could just put on this exact page here. Yeah, let me click back, and I'm going to just add the product page instead. So I'm going to grab that, I'm going to go back into the app, I'm going to paste that in there. Product price, you can choose from a load of different currencies. This one is $14.95, so I'm just going to put $14.95, and then you can paste in your product description in there as well. So for now, I'm just going to actually sack it. I'm going to grab the whole lot. Okay, I'm going to grab that, and I'm just going to paste that all in there. Okay, that's done. So I'm just going to add the tag. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to shut that one down, and I'm going to show you how you can do this with an opt-in form. So if I go down to the other image that I have, okay, I'm going to add a tag inside of there. Okay, hotspot color, I'm going to choose it to be green. Okay, I'm going to choose it to be a circle. Okay, and then I'm just going to put an arrow in there, but I think they do have something kind of email related, like an app button. I'll put that one in there. Okay, and I'm going to choose, and this one didn't load up last time I did it because it was a PNG image, I don't know why, but I'm just going to try it anyway. Now, instead of a product page, I'm going to go to opt-in. Okay, and I'm just going to write, get your free sample here. Okay, the image is loaded up. Now, for the opt-in code, you need to go to your autoresponder. Okay, and what you're going to have to write here, you're going to have to make a form, okay, like an opt-in form. Now, I've already pre-made one, and it's not difficult to make, so I'm just going to duplicate it so you can see how it works. Right, so for the background image, I just chose the background image. I just uploaded the same PNG image that I had of the samples in there. Okay, and then I just customized the writing. So get your free sample, fill out the form to get it now. Okay, and then in the settings, I grabbed the page of my, see, I'm selling some free samples inside of here. Well, I'm not selling them, I'm giving them away for free, but the user has to pay for the shipping, which is only a couple of dollars. So what I did is I grabbed the page of this free sample page from my ecom store, okay, and I pasted that into the form, okay, and that's going to be the thank you page or the redirect URL. So what's going to happen is when somebody fills in their name and email address, after they've done that, they will get redirected to this page where they can grab their free sample. So I'm going to save and publish that, and then I'm going to go and grab the the embed code here, the JavaScript code. So I'm going to copy that whole lot. I'm going to go back over to Snapify and I'm going to paste in that opt-in form code here, okay, and I'm going to add that as a tag. Now, a lot of people in ecom, they are not collecting emails, and you're leaving so much money on the table by not doing that. So having something like this, where you have this image with the option to have an opt-in form inside of it, then it's going to help you out a ton. Now, once you've done all of that, you want to go through to networks. Sorry, you need to go through to create gallery first. So you'd go through to create gallery, wait for it to load up. Okay, so all posts. So we have our 2 posts down here. So I'm just going to check both of those and then going to go to next. Okay, let it do its thing. Okay, cool. So we got the gallery title. We're just going to call it Black Head Masks. Okay, we can select our website in here. I haven't actually added a website in here, but I'll talk to you about that in a second. Generate product page code. Open links in a new tab. Image display 4. Okay, let's go on to next. Show the icon. Show the call to action button. you can customize the text color here if you want. Okay, you can customize the background color as well if you want. Okay, you can customize all the other stuff in there, but I'm not going to do it because it's going to take me way too long. Okay, I'm just going to go with the defaults, but obviously you have other customization options there as well. And then you can also add in your Google Analytics code, which I'm just going to drop mine in there, and then we generate the gallery. Okay, and then you're going to be given a code which you can insert into your website. Okay, so for this one here, I'm going to grab the code right here. Okay, so I'm just going to grab that code, I'm going to copy it, I'm going to go over to my website where I've created a new page. Okay, and I have a custom HTML bit inside of my page here, so I'm going to paste that in there, save it. Okay, I'm going to save the page. Okay, and I'm going to preview it and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so here I do have my the URLs, and obviously the more widget things that you generate from Snapify, you can end up having a whole page that's going to look like Instagram, basically, with pictures on there. And then when people click on the image, okay, you can see this is the product page, and then they can go through to buy it there. Or where's the other one that I made with the embed? Okay, there you go. I clicked on the hotspot, and then I can enter my name and my email address. So I'm just going to do that now. Test@test.com. I'm gonna obviously wouldn't say download your free samples, but access free samples, and then obviously it's redirected me straight through to my free sample page, and I've collected that lead onto my autoresponder as well. So that's how it works. You have the you're ultimately going to have this page which you're going to populate with all your different products, and then you're going to have your hotspots on there as well. Now, once you've done that, you go through to networks. Okay, and here you can add your accounts. Now, I've just got Twitter. I've got Twitter hooked up to mine, so you can add a new account there, or you can you can edit your account in there. You can delete it. But I'm just going to make a new post inside of Twitter right now. Okay, now I'm just going to write blackhead mask. That's going to be my post, and then I'm going to enter the URL of my page here. So I'm just going to grab that URL there, and I'm going to be entering that as the URL. Okay, so I'm going to click on the plus button. It's going to check if it's a valid URL, and once that's done, I can add it to my post right there. So wait for it to do its thing. Doesn't usually take too long. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to add that into my post. Okay, let me just put a space in between there, and then I'm going to select the this Twitter account. Okay, now I'm going to publish the post right now. Okay, now it's posted on Twitter, which I'm going to go and see right now. And there it is. Okay, so if I click on there, it's going to take me through, oh, not this again. Okay, it's going to take me through to this page where I have all of my photos laid out like an Instagram gallery. Now, you can actually schedule these posts to go out as well. If you click on the little button there, the little clock button, you can choose for it to go out today, tomorrow, the next day, and you can choose for it to go out at a certain time as well. Okay, that's done, so I can publish that. Okay, I didn't select my network. There we go. So I can publish. Okay, I haven't put my post in, but you get the idea. Okay, it'll schedule it to go out. Now, you can also manage your website from in here as well. There's a plugin that you can download and you can use with, here you go, download to WordPress. So you can have that plugin directly on your WordPress account. So you won't need to copy the code across and add it into an HTML thing like I did, because if you have the plugin on there, it's going to do it automatically. So it's a bit more user friendly and a bit more newbie friendly as well. So basically that's how it works, and I don't see that many good demos of this on YouTube, but if you are confused or you want a different person's perspective or live demo on how this works, then click on the link down below in this video description. Scroll down my bonus page a little bit, and there is a demo inside of here as well that's like 10 minutes long, which will give you a bit more information about how this works. Remember, you can check out my bonuses at any time. All of these are going to be delivered to you automatically, free of charge upon purchase, and all you need to do to purchase is click on any of these green buttons on my bonus page to go through to the sales page and buy Snapify to get all of my bonuses. So that's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this Snapify review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. Take care. Bye.